Hey, what's up guys? It's Nick Bruce, and this is my Total BMX Sandstorm setup. Starting with the frame, I'm running a Total BMX Sandstorm, and it's not too low, but not too high. Perfect for tech moves and whips. For the handlebars, I'm rocking the Total BMX Ghetto Shed bars, Mark Webb signature. The first pair I had went through 6 months of serious abuse with no issues. I have the Total BMX Rock and Roll Spline Dry Sprocket, Profile Racing Cranks. I'm riding the VP Components Vice pedals. In the back, I have the Profile Elite Hub 9-tooth tie driver. I'm rocking the Total Titanium front hub with tie bolts. I have the Maxxis grifter tires, super durable, super lightweight. I'm riding the Total BMX skinny pegs. They're so light, they don't even feel like you have anything on your bike. First time I've had pegs on my bike in a really long time, and honestly, they're not coming off. I'm rocking the Total BMX logo combo seat. Thank you, Remo, for the fresh Total BMX bike. This is my favorite bike I've ever ridden, and I'm just happy to be part of the best brand in BMX.
Cut!